got here? We've got a 1980 K5 Blazer, 350 5.7 liter of goodness. Getting down and dirty. What we got here? Well, gotta be an S10, right? 75 Datsun? Hey man, you find something new every day, you know? It's just the way it goes. Okay, enough said, bruh. Take a look at this, guys. What do you think? By the way, before we get to this next vehicle, I want you guys to like the video, share it, and please subscribe. Let's move on. Dually. Big boy. Big Trucks, Volume 3. All right, we got a 94 Chevy 454. Wait. No, this is a dually. This has to be a 3500. It doesn't say that, but I know it is. Pull your house off your hinges. That's what that does. All right. Another Chevy over here. Paint job is impeccable, man. K10. Sorry, C10. 66 C10. Baby blue wrecking crew, man. I love it. Usually not a pastel guy, but you know what? It's a new year, new rules. All right, here we go. I saw this one earlier. 51 Ford F3. Sanford and Son. You big dummy. Okay, now somebody don't Pontiac Catalina? I'll be honest with you guys, I've never heard of this before. 1964 Pontiac 2+2. 389 horsepower. Pontiac Catalina. Have you guys heard of this before? Again, like I said before, you learn something new every day, man. You come out here, you start looking at these vehicles, you're gonna find something you never heard of. And that's what I'm looking for. Pontiac Catalina. Is this a El Camino or a Ranchero? You know it's an L-Dog, boy. Come on. Hey, they need to bring this back. They definitely need to bring back the El Camino. I guarantee you're going to make a killing. What is it? Oh, 66, my G. 1966 Chevrolet El Camino. What do you guys think?